Okay, so I've got a new speaker that's arrived, and I'm going to just show you it being unboxed or unbagged and unboxed in this new video. So here it is in the bag, delivered by DPD. So let's just get this bag open. I may need scissors or maybe not. No, I don't think I do. Okay, here it is. It's a Harman Kardon speaker, Bluetooth. So there it is, it's the Harman Kardon Citation One speaker. Chromecast built in, Google Assistant, works with Apple, AirPlay, Bluetooth enabled, Wi-Fi certified, so many things. And as you can see here, it has won a design award in 2018. And it's described on the cover here of the box as compact, smart and amazing sound. So let's have a look. I'm planning on using this basically with my PC, possibly also to play music from my smartphone. That's the idea anyway. So the box is nice, and as you can see, the box also has its own little carry handle. It looks like a massive kind of square wine carton. Imagine if you got, that was full of wine. It's a lot of wine, lots of litres. So it's part of the Citation family of other speakers. And you can have multiple ones within your home, etc. A bit like, I don't know, the Echoes that Amazon do and so on. Here's a little view of the inside. So yeah, you can add multiple speakers and play the same or different music throughout your home. Use your voice to control your smart home, lights, temperature, etc. You can enjoy your Apple Music on Citation using AirPlay. Okay, let's have a look in the box then. So I'm just going to pull this tab out here and lift up, flatten that handle a second. Oh, we're sellotape down. Emergency on planet Earth. Right, I'm going to get some scissors. This unboxing video has stalled. So, take that out. So on the top, we have got a little booklet, a manual or two, presumably in a few different languages. Sure, I'll look at that later. It's got a bit of padding, which is good. Oh, and here it is. It is fairly heavy, the box actually, and the speakers, yeah, pretty heavy. Look, there's so we've got a cable in there by the looks of it, and other stuff. What's this? Just a thank you for your purchase. We've got Google Assistant. It's got a QR code for more information on that. A little keep fresh. Look at that. Okay, don't need to look at any of that anymore, I don't think. Let's have a look at the main attraction, the speaker itself. So yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's always a good sign, isn't it, with the speaker? It's a little bit heavy. It's got a bit of quality to it. It's got a nice feel. You can probably even hear me. It's got a really nice, almost feels like a sofa actually. I think you can get these in more than one colour. I think I've seen them in black, might be wrong. So on the bottom here, look, that's where you plug the power supply in. There's some sort of USB connector there, which I assume you can feed the cables through this gap at the back, which is a nice design. And there's some instructions there about how to get started. This peels off. Shall leave it on for now. There's the controls on the top for changing kind of the mode, volume, etc. Just to go back to the box and whatever's lurking in the bottom, I've just put the box on its side and just pull this out rather clumsily with one hand. And it looks like there's probably a couple of things in here. Okay, I'll just pull the end down now. Look. We've got a power cable, which is a nice grey, kind of silvery grey, which kind of matches the device. Probably nicer than the black one would have. Very nice. Yeah, I really like the feel of that. It's really nice. So let's pop it down.